This 2015 Coachmen Mirada 35BH is a Class A RV. It is located in Huntley, Illinois, 60142 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, bunkhouse, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. This 2015 Coachmen Mirada 35BH is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.